Hey guys, how's it going? Well, just got these units in. This one here is going to be on eBay soon. It's an XTS5000 Model 3. In VHF. A lot of people are asking me about the FD&Y knobs. The FD&Y knobs have been discontinued. They will not make any more. It's a very good unit. It's FPP firmware, and it's 19. And you can enter your codes here just like on any other unit. And let's see here. I can power this down. It's got good back tags on it. This is an R version, so it's got the gas plug. And it's very nice. By the way, the 18 CPS that is out right now is absolutely phenomenal. All the problems, all the hang-ups, all the slow write times, everything has just completely vanished with the introduction of the CPS 18. Everything. I mean, it is so easy to program now, and it's so quick. No problems at all. My cat's wanting to get in the way. If he does, he does. But anyway, that's one of the units. It'll be a good seller, real good seller. And here we have the S-split. This doesn't have back tags, but it does have the internal serial number. Firmware on these are, on the two yellow ones, are 19, and 19 is in here. So that's the latest firmware. But it's nice to have an S-split because it's the high split, and it's very desirable to have that. You know, you can finally have a nice radio, and that'll be a good seller. It does digital and analog bandwidth. That's all editable. Channel naming, all that stuff. It's in fire yellow, and so look here, in very nice shape, very nice shape. So that's an S-split. Oh, and by the way, it is a true R, and it is FM approved. So all the way around, beautiful radio. This is a VHF unit. This is a tagless, and when I say this isn't an ABC 1, 2, 3. Very nice in VHF, and let's see here. Let's see what I have it set at. See if I can't set these both the same. Alright. Just takes a second here. These will be going out the door soon. gonna go ahead and stick with analog on this. But anyway,
check, check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check.
turn it up a bit.
Check, check, check.
I am liking the fire yellow housings. But as you can tell, spectacular shape and condition. Make a fire guy, or actually anybody who likes fire yellow, very, very happy. And I'm getting back into some people have asked me about 2500s. I thought about it, and I finally decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and grab some. I've got a few on the way. This is a pair that I picked up. As you can tell, they're actually brand new. They've got the paddle push to talk on it, which is an improvement from the original one. Had just it wasn't a paddle type push to talk. This is. It works much better. It's an intrinsically safe one, and this is 2500. Yeah, these are 2500. I think I've got a 2500i that's coming, which is immersible or submersible, one of the two. But anyway, basic 1.5 screen, and I think I've got oh yeah, hang on. Give me a minute, because I do have a radio I've been working on, and it's one that you've seen before. And it's 800 megahertz. So I've got quite a few 2500s now to work with. These are 8 megs. This is a 4 meg. You can tell 4 megs by the smiley face housing. But let's see here. These are very good sellers, these 800 megahertz. I do have one of these in fire yellow. I can switch the housings out. If you want black, I can make that change. It's not that big of a deal. I've got quite a few 5K housings. By the way, this does have encryption. These do have encryption. Both of them do. They're XTS250. This is an 800 megahertz, and let's take a look here. Yeah, this is just your standard It's not FM approved, but that's fine. What you're hearing is key fail. I need to take the multi-key off of there because there's no, the keys that are loaded into this. I'd like to thank Buddy Co for getting this thing up and running for me. But works great.
Check, check, check.
All these are analog and digital. They're all in mixed mode.
Check, 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 check.
So very nice units on those. There's a Model 1. And here is the mate to it. And it does have a couple scuffs, but actually it's from storage. It's a shame, but you know, at the same time it happens. Let's see here. These are true R's, by the way. You got the vents and the gas plugs and tags. I don't really care for tagless radios, but at the same time, you know, when the code plugs, when there's serial numbers associated with them, and I can run them and they come up clean, I've got no problem with them. Most people don't. This has an APX antenna on it, which is for 700 and 800 megahertz. I've got a couple of these. They're really, really nice. I also have dipoles. I've got a couple of them. And dipoles are really, really nice. They're very long though. They're as long as a wideband whip in the VHF. And I've got more radios on this pad than I know what to do with. But anyway, yeah, this 800 megahertz, this one's going to be going out. People that need an 800 megahertz, people that have asked for, these are 380 to 470. So actually what we're looking at is the whole spectrum of radios here. You've got your VHF, you've got your 380 to 470, you've got your 800 megahertz, and you've got your 450 to 520. So yeah, these are very, very nice. And let's crank this up. Well, host version. So it does have AES-256 in both these units. Let me turn them on. Okay.
Check, check.
Oh, let me turn it up a bit. Watch your speakers.
Check, check, check.
I'm on analog on both of these. I'm turning that down. That's way too high.
Check, 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 check.
Spoke too soon. A little bit louder.
Check, check, check.
Can't believe I didn't get feedback on that. But anyway, very nice units. They'll be good sellers. This one's going to be listed very soon, and as well as this one, and might hold on to the S-split for a little bit. This one's going to be listed soon. These two, if you're needing a 1.5 that's meant, there you go. You guys have asked for them. I've got them, and I've got more. Got a couple more on the way. Got an Impress charger coming, and got all my chargers bumped up to 3.90. Just did a gang charger in the last video. So, you know, all the way around, a lot of good things going on. And the Model 2s that were R-split, those are gone. All the brand new ones are gone. Those sold very quickly. And the 800 megahertz units, I've only got 3 left, like this, and at the price that I've got them set low on eBay for. So I've only got 3 of these left, and these are true Model 3s. So there's some that have been converted, and I've got no problem with them as long as they've been converted by the right people who know how to align and get the tuning values right and do it on a narrow flex. It's just, you know, there's a lot of hackery that can go on, and you know, as long as they're done professionally, that's my main concern. But as far as the all these units have the 19 version firmware in them, and go ahead and put this black one in the middle. Radio sales have been very good. I've been very busy. and trying to get with my distributors to maintain, you know, top quality products for you. It's tough, you know, it's very tough to do that, but you know, it's something that I'm committed to, and all in all, I think I'm doing pretty decent on that front. And yeah, this 800 megahertz is very nice. All of them are. No disappointments with any of them. And the 19 firmware, and all of them have been programmed with CPS 18. And believe me, if you don't have 18, you need to get it. If you don't have 18 and you've got 17, you need to get 18. You will be so much happier with the right times. There's no fails. There's no weirdness going on. I mean, it's just they've really improved it to where there's, you know, there's not a whole bunch of finicky crap going on in the software program. So definitely pick up 18 if you've got 17. You'll be so happy you did. Anyway, these are a few, and I've got more coming in, and I'll 800 megahertz Model 2 and a Model 3 that is also on the table. So a lot of good radios, and you guys have asked about the the 2500s. I'm getting messages. You've asked about the 2500s, and so I've gone ahead and I've gone back into the 2500s for you. So if you need them, I got them, and I'm going to have more. So 2500s. I think I got a 1500 coming, which will still be very nice. I think I've got a 1500 coming. Just a lot of things going on, a lot of sourcing. My cat's sneezing. But anyway, take it easy, guys. You got your 800 megahertz, 2500, 4 meg. You've got your VHF Model 3, VHF S-split, 1.5 2500, 8 meg. Same thing on this one, 8 meg. These are our split. And you've got your Model 3, and I've got 3 of these in stock. So, take it easy, guys. Later on.